Hello, good evening, everyone. Market ended 30th of October 2018, and this is our quick daily market analysis. Now, extending from what we were talking last night, is 10,300 is going to get retested, and if we notice that the index fails to sustain above the 10,300 mark, then it's time to book some profits off, and that's exactly what we managed to do in today's trade. This is a 15-minute chart of the Nifty spot. I would bring your attention to the Nifty future chart over here. What we saw over here is a nice divergence, and this is where we booked out. Um, Disclosure, as I had mentioned in my yesterday's video, that we had a long trade on 10,175, which been harping about it since last Thursday. We exited around the 10,300, 10,310 range. It paid off really well, and we've seen a sell-off after that. Now, the current juncture is for Nifty is a no trade zone from my point of view. Um, I don't have a lot of bearish signal right now that I would go short on it. Neither do I have any kind of bullish signal on the 15-minute chart or the 75-minute chart, which will suggest me that there can be a possibility of a trade. If I look at the 75-minute chart or the 60-minute chart, I have a short-term correction of the bounce back that we notice. Can you clearly see the divergence shaping up here? This is the reason why we took the trade off. Now it's coming down to my trio moving averages, which can maybe act like a zone of support. However, I'm not very convinced right now. I would probably, and not actually probably, but in reality, will give some time to Nifty to play out its own game. Yes, a move above 10,300 will definitely bring in fresh movement, but I'll be more happy to buy it at a lower level. So till then, Nifty, which we were cautiously bullish, is kind of neutral, neither bullish nor bearish. Let's take our attention to Bank Nifty now. Now, Bank Nifty, as we have been repetitively mentioning, that's doing better than the benchmark index, is also down 0.5% in today's trade. It failed to hold above that 25,200 mark. This is the 60-minute hourly chart. Now, I like the Bank Nifty chart relatively more than the Nifty right now. Okay, because I've got a sell-off, which is again back to that three moving averages. But I like the way these RSIs are shaping up. A little further dip down, and probably I can get a swing buy trade on the smaller time frame. 15-minute chart suggests the fact that we had a sharp sell-off towards the last hour, and overall, again, similar to what we saw in Nifty, neutral, but I would say 60-40, a slight bias on the upside, but it's too early to comment. So I sense that in tomorrow's trade, our view on the index overall, both the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty, is going to be a neutral in nature, and because it's neutral, we would try our best to look for good opportunities in stocks. I think it's going to be more like a day of stocks rather than the index. Number one, talking about stocks, we had a good day today for all our clients. We booked out of our Nifty long trade for Alphabets Pro. We booked out of our long call trade of 10,300 with close to 50% profit for our option plus clients, and we did manage to make some quick buck on Mindtree. Now, if you've been following my channel, the free Telegram channel, link of which I always post in the description box, you would have noticed that in today's morning I had shared two trades. One was Mindtree and the other one was DHFL. I did not go with DHFL because obviously the overhang of the news, but what a move the stock gave in the first 30 minutes of trade. Amazing. I did not go with my DHFL because of the put up pessimism in the stock. I have generally had good luck with Mindtree. It paid off really well in the trade that we did, though we did not manage to make a lot of it, but we entered at the high of around 789 and we took it out around 904, 905 range for our alphabets intra client. So another successful trade, 4,500 per lot is not that bad. Looking forward, we continue to use the powerful inside bar strategy for our clients. Now, I will be soon coming out with a course completely on these strategies which I trade and recommend, and I will be using the Iris Plus software, which is over here, to find the inside bar. Those who use um, the Iris Plus software, for you, free of cost. This is how you go to price, open, high, low, close. Just don't do anything with pattern. Come to condition and select inside bar. Add, select it. My universe is 108 stocks, the most liquid ones within the FNO universe. Just scan it, and there you go, 16 names. Obviously, all the 16 are not going to be a bumper move in tomorrow's trade. The learning comes when I'll share the course with you is, out of these 16, which are the ones that I'm going to carry tomorrow's trade. Till then, please do share your feedback, suggestions that you've been doing, and continue to like our view on the market with the help of daily market analysis. So till then, as I always say, trade well, trade wise. Thank you.